Welcome back to Gurukulam online classes. This side Swapnil Agrawal as a physics teacher, and today our topic is, as you can see in the board, work done by a constant force in an interval. So let us see what this means. So if we define it, work done is when there is displacement of force. When there is displacement of force. Whenever there is a displacement of force, we say that work is done by that force in an interval. What, in terms of physics and formula, what we write this as W equal to F dot D. So mathematically it is written as W equal to dot product of force into displacement. The dot product open as F d cos theta. What is F? F is the force, D is the displacement, and cos theta is a smaller angle between force and displacement. You see this diagram, there is a block and force is acting on it, and this is the displacement and the angle is theta. So as I said that when there is displacement of force, it means that we have to take that component of force which is along the displacement. So we can divide the force into two components. The component which makes the angle is known as cos theta. It will be cos theta. And the component which is perpendicular to cos theta, it is known as sin theta. So this is sin theta. So we already have divided this force into cos theta and sin theta. So as you can see that the component of force which is along the displacement is F cos theta, and mathematically I have written also Fd cos theta, which can be written as F cos theta into D. So we have to take that component of force which is along the displacement, or we can say that when there is a displacement of force. So let us see by an examples day-to-day life, and you say that whether the work is done or not. Let us say take the first example. If there is a wall and you are pushing it, this is a wall and you are pushing it, you are applying the force at particular point A point. Can you tell that work is done or not? The work is not done, as I have said that there must be a displacement of force. Your force is not displacing, it is at all the time at point A. So we say that no work is done. Work is not done. Let us take a second example. In the second example, you are applying the force at point A and then you are moving to point B. Then you are moving to point B. So you can clearly see that the wall is not moving, but your contact point is moving. The force is moving. There is a displacement of force. This displacement, let us say it is D. So there is a work done which is F into D. So there must be a displacement of force, then only we can say that the work is done. Let us see more example to concrete your knowledge about work. That there is a ball and a earth. As you know that the earth pulls every object towards its center. So the earth is applying the force mg, pulling the ball towards its center. Let the ball is was at A, then the ball moves to B. As you can see that mg was acting at A, then this force is also acting at B. There is a displacement of the force. Let us say that this displacement is D, then there must be a work done that is equal to force in the direction of displacement, that is mg into D. Let's take one more example. Let there is a slope which is a smooth. As the slope is smooth, this block will moves down. This block will moves down from point A to point B. Displacement is always from initial position to final position. Initial position is A and final position is B. Let this is be D. When we talk about the forces acting on the block, there are two forces acting on the block. One is by the earth. Earth always pull every object vertically downward. And second is the contact surface. The contact surface always apply force perpendicular to itself. But as I told you, we are only interested about that forces which is along the displacement. We are only dealing with that forces which along the displacement. So neither mg nor normal is along the displacement. But in physics, if there is a force, we can take its component. Like this, the force was not along the displacement, but we have take the component. The component was along the displacement what? F cos theta. जो पास होता है एंगल के उसको cos लिया जाता है. तो यहां पे भी मान लेते हैं ये आपका एंगल है थीटा है 90 है, और जब आप कंपोनेंट लोगे तो आपका ये कंपोनेंट आएगा mg sin थीटा एंड दिस कंपोनेंट विल कम mg cos थीटा. आपने mg को डिवाइड कर दिया है. अब आप बताइए डायग्राम से डिस्प्लेसमेंट के अलोंग कौन सा फोर्स जा रहा है? क्या m जा रहा है? नहीं जा रहा है. क्या mg cos थीटा जा रहा है? नहीं जा रहा है. तो हमारा वर्क डन क्या होगा बच्चों? करेक्ट, हमारा वर्क डन होगा, हम वही फोर्स लेंगे जो डिस्प्लेसमेंट के अलोंग जा रहा है, दैट इज द mg sin थीटा. सो आवर वर्क डन इज mg sin theta into d. Let us take the last example to make sure that you understand completely this concept. Let us take a smiley ball. When we compress the smiley ball, when we apply the force, let's see, we are applying the force in the smiley ball. और हम जानते हैं जब स्माइली बॉल को हम दबाएंगे तो वो दबेगी. जब स्माइली बॉल दबेगी तो उसका शेप चेंज हो जाएगा. मान लेते हैं शेप ऐसा हो गया. जैसे जैसे बॉल अंदर जाती जाएगी दबती जाएगी, आपका फोर्स का भी डिस्प्लेसमेंट हो रहा है. पहले फोर्स यहां लग रहा था, अब फोर्स आपका यहां लग रहा है. तो आप देख सकते हो आपने फोर्स का क्या कर दिया है? डिस्प्लेसमेंट कर दिया है. देखिए ऑब्जेक्ट मूव नहीं किया है. एक मिसकंसेप्शन होता है वर्क डन में कि ऑब्जेक्ट का डिस्प्लेसमेंट होना चाहिए, लेकिन ऑब्जेक्ट का डिस्प्लेसमेंट जरूरी नहीं है. स्माइली बॉल वहीं की वहीं है, लेकिन क्या हो रहा है? फोर्स का डिस्प्लेसमेंट. पहले फोर्स यहां लग रहा था ए पॉइंट पे, अब फोर्स और अंदर चला गया है बी पॉइंट पे. तो देयर इज अ वर्क डन ऑफ एफ इंटू डी. सो आई होप यू लाइक दिस वीडियो. फॉर मोर सच वीडियोस keep subscribe this channel, like this video, comment, and we will meet you on my next video. Thank you so much.